In the 6th century CE, in the heart of the Arabian Peninsula, in the city of Mecca, a child was born who would become one of the most influential figures in history. His name was Muhammad, the Prophet of Islam. Muhammad was born in the year 570 CE into the Hashim clan of the powerful Quraysh tribe. His father, Abdullah, died before he was born. His mother, Amina, died when he was only 6. Orphaned at an early age, Muhammad was cared for first by his grandfather and then by his uncle, Abu Talib. Though life was not easy, he grew up known for his honesty, humility, and kindness. People in Mecca called him Al-Amin, the trustworthy one. As a young man, Muhammad became a merchant, working in trade caravans across Arabia. His reputation earned him the attention of a wealthy widow named Khadijah. Impressed by his character, she proposed marriage. Muhammad accepted, and together they had several children. Life was peaceful, but Mecca was a city of extremes, great wealth and deep inequality, and a society divided by tribal conflict and idol worship. Troubled by what he saw, Muhammad began retreating to a cave on Mount Hira to meditate. There, at the age of 40, his life changed forever. One night, during the holy month of Ramadan, he received a powerful vision. The angel Gabriel appeared to him, commanding, "Read." Muhammad replied, "I cannot read." Again, the angel said, "Read, in the name of your Lord who created." These words marked the beginning of the revelation of the Quran, the holy book of Islam. Muhammad had become a prophet, chosen to spread the message of monotheism, justice, and compassion. He began preaching in Mecca, calling people to worship one God, Allah, and to abandon idols. He spoke of equality, charity, and accountability in the afterlife, but his message challenged the powerful elites of Mecca. They mocked him, threatened him, and persecuted his followers. Still, Muhammad never gave up. After years of increasing hostility, Muhammad and his followers were forced to leave Mecca. In the year 622 CE, they migrated to the city of Yathrib, later known as Medina. This journey, known as the Hijra, marks the beginning of the Islamic calendar. In Medina, Muhammad became not only a religious leader, but also a statesman and peacemaker, uniting rival tribes under a new constitution that guaranteed rights and religious freedom. Over the next decade, Islam spread across Arabia. Eventually, Muhammad and his followers returned to Mecca, not in violence, but in peace. He forgave his former enemies and cleansed the Kaaba, the ancient sanctuary, of idols, restoring it as a house of monotheism. In his final sermon, Muhammad reminded his followers, "All mankind is from Adam and Eve. An Arab has no superiority over a non-Arab, nor a non-Arab over an Arab, except by piety and good action." He died shortly after, in the year 632 CE, at the age of 63. His message, however, continued to grow, spreading from Arabia to the world. Today, over 1 billion Muslims around the globe follow the faith that Muhammad established, a faith built on the principles of peace, justice, mercy, and submission to God. The story of Muhammad is not just the story of a prophet, it's the story of transformation, of one man's journey to bring hope and purpose to a world in need.